Alberto Kenya Fujimori Inomoto i.e. Grave Moi, Japanese, or Japanese, GKJKQ Kataoka Kenya, born 28 July 1938, is a former Peruvian engineer and politician who served as the President of Peru from 28 July 1990 until his downfall on 22 November 2000. Described as a dictator, he remains a controversial figure in Peruvian politics. His government is credited with the creation of Fujimorism, defeating the Shining Path insurgency and restoring Peru's macroeconomic stability, though Fujimori ended his presidency by fleeing Peru for Japan amid a major scandal involving corruption and human rights abuses. Even amid his prosecution in 2008 for crimes against humanity relating to his presidency, two-thirds of Peruvians polled voiced approval for his leadership in that period. A Peruvian of Japanese descent, Fujimori took refuge in Japan when faced with charges of corruption in 2000. On arriving in Japan, he attempted to resign his presidency via fax, but his resignation was rejected by Congress, which preferred to remove him from office by the process of impeachment by a 62-9 vote. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.